$2,000 challenge.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Peter, a YouTuber from Ogoni Marketplace.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
If I give you $2,000, what will you do with it, sir?
Well,
Oh boy, I'm on the large.
How much?
$2,000.
$2,000, that's around 2.8 million, ba?
$2,000. That's we dey talk about like about 3 million and 4 million plus.
Converting it to the Nigerian naira rates current
$2,000.
Yes, sir.
3 million.
That's what I'm talking about.
I think that should be around 2.6 million naira also.
Hey!
Oh man, oh, but me in a very simple thing. Oh, me, oh, but I go buy land.
I will invest that money in agriculture. We're looking to make an investment with it, somewhat, kind of.
So I'm going to first of all start up a business.
You know what? I will do real estate.
I will invest it both in poultry aspects, food aspects. I could get a vehicle
All right.
for transportation.
Okay, a vehicle for transportation.
Yes.
Buy land, keep. Ahead of time. The land go that appreciates. And I go use them, sell, make extra gain.
Even if the business is not a very kind of large business, I'll first of all start up a small business at first and be very, very consistent with it.
Gary, for example, Gary, yam, those kind of stuffs. That's what we do with it.
Can you please point out the business we want to start?
I would have to break it down to 3 small businesses. Each one, I'll start up a small business, small POS business. One, and then secondly, I'm going to open a shop where they sell provisions, rice, gari, pepper, other provisions. Another shop where we make chips, chicken and chips, some just different like chicken chips, different small foodstuffs that we make from that small brand. And we believe God that with consistency, diligence, and prayers, we believe God for a bigger height.
A plot of land in Nigeria is about 20 to 30 million naira. So how you going to do? How you going to go into an estate with $2,000?
I will enter village. I will enter into village, thick village. I will go and buy it inside thick village.
Any other things, sir?
The other thing could be farming.
Farming.
Yes,
That's agriculture, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So can $2,000 give you a vehicle in Nigeria and also go into agriculture?
It depends on the scale of agriculture I'm talking about here.
Are you telling me that you are going to invest 3.4 million naira in poultry business and to sell gari, which is a raw form of cassava?
Yeah.
How will you go about it, sir?
Okay, sir. I will start first and also open a branch somewhere and put somebody. So I can have it like 3 places in different locations.
So, like, how much can you get a plot of land there, sir?
There might be maybe 300, 400, or even 500,000, sir.
Okay, 200,000-300,000 naira, sir.
Yes, or maybe let me just say maybe 500,000. I've just buy maybe I can buy like 1 acre or something like that. Then I'll start reselling within the next 6 months, 8 months. I would have been able to make good.
All right. So, how are you going to start it?
All right. First of all, I'm going to look at a very attractive point. Let's say I will use an instance. Let's say I stay around a place that is very close to a school area or a place that is very close to market, and then I will check around that place if there's any bank, or if there's any bank around there, or if the bank around is a little bit far from where I stay or where I want to start up my business. Then I'll just open my POS business around that very attractive place where students or individuals, so many different persons, they go there, go around to get something or just come around to just do 1 or 2 things.
Yeah. If I'm to do both, then I'll have to go for a small scale agriculture.
Economy of Nigeria is not that friendly.
Okay.
Presently now.
All right.
So giving you $2,000 and you are saying you are going to invest it into a real estate business.
Okay.
When you are hungry, how is that possible, sir?
Me, I need hungry. The thing concern Nigeria. Me, I be businessman. If you bring money, I go use and invest. That be my watchword. Now my own emblem be that.
have a big warehouse for rice and beans and all the rest. So it will go a very long way because food is the necessary thing in Nigeria now, and it's too expensive. So people are dying for hunger. And secondly, I will make sure that it will be more, expensive as it is now. I will make it the way that it can be affordable for even the poor to have to get it. So that is my.
All right, sir. You make mention of village. You going to the village to get a plot of land in the village. What is the possibility of you selling it at a higher amount, sir?
We will turn the village to city now. See, I will make sure I look for a place that is developing very fast. I look for fast developing places, and those are the kind of places I'll go and buy. It will not be tick TV, but I shall go look for those kind of area.
Okay, sir. Fast developing place, as you make mention of, should be a place that is very, very attractive to other real estate. So
Yes.
the competition there is going to be very, very high.
Yeah.
Would you still meet up with $2,000?
Surely I will meet up.
If I not invest now, who know how tomorrow won't be? Country hard now, yes, for sure. But who know how tomorrow won't be? The government need to talk of to work on the situation on ground. So me, I go invest because I get unborn children when they come. When my children come, if I marry now today or tomorrow, my children come, they go see things to inherit as well. I go settle ground for them so that they know come suffer. You understand? So the hunger will be my problem. Now they eat, God help me, they eat every day. Anyhow, I go survive.
I
Okay,
get connect. I have people I can call now, and we go run this thing. All the documents, everything go land sharp.
All right, thank you very much, sir. I do appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Nice meeting you. You are going to invest $2,000 into a real estate business. That is very nice, sir. Thank you very much. I do appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your idea. Thank you for sharing your idea with us.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you for your idea, sir. I really appreciate it. Yeah. All right, thank you very much.
Subscribe
All right, thank you so
at Ogoni Market Plus.